Hey, welcome back to another video of basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to remove Grammarly keyboard. To remove Grammarly keyboard on a device, follow these steps. First of all, go to your settings application, then tap General, then scroll down until you find keyboard. After that, click on keyboards. Now, tap on edit on the top right corner. Tap on the red minus icon next to Grammarly. Then tap delete to confirm its removal from a list of keyboards. You can also uninstall the Grammarly application. If you want to remove Grammarly entirely, go back to home screen. Press and hold the Grammarly application icon. Then select remove application and delete application. After that, click on delete to remove it. By following these steps, you can successfully remove the Grammarly keyboard from a device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.